Today we're going to be doing some can cutting with the adult red ryder from Daisy. Some of you may have seen a video I did for the Daisy electronic point sight. That's what we have on the adult red ryder today. And I'm going to be using Daisy's premium grade BBs in the red ryder for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the camera and I'm going to set you up right next to me. That mark on the floor right there. So here we go. Let's see how many shots it takes to cut that can in half. I'm going to stop and pull this leather thong off the red ryder. It's inhibiting my shooting a little bit. But we're going for how many shots it takes, not how long it takes. Nibs over on Walnut and Steel. If you haven't checked that channel out, you're missing out. If you like air guns, if you haven't checked that channel out, go check that out. But he's where I got the idea for this can cutting, and I'm really enjoying it. Swing and a miss. When I get a big hole like that in the can, and I feel like I'm shooting through the can, I try to hit the edge of the can to spin it a little bit so that I can get a bigger area to hit. If that makes sense. Like I need to hit the left side of the can, I'm thinking. There we go. Yeah, I like the electronic point sight. It's a lot of fun. I can even have some fun with the splatter bursts. You guys must love my commentary. Yeah, I'm shooting right through it. Amazon has the red dot point sight for $10.99. So I grabbed a couple. I'm going to throw one on the Crossman 2100. I'm not really a big fan of the scopes that come with those, or the scope on the Daisy 880. There we go. I lost count. I'll go back and watch the video and count, and we'll go from there. Try to hit the tab on top of the can. There it is. Now it's showing. All right, guys, we're going to leave it there. Can cutting with the Daisy Red Ryder. Adult version.